Hi everybody, it's Pamela, cleaning my disaster room. Before you watch this video, if you could hit subscribe, that would be great. I'd love that. This used to be our bedroom. I really liked it. It's upstairs. It's a really pretty room. It's got its own bathroom. But one of my dogs is not able to do the stairs, especially in the evening, so we had to move downstairs. All my clothes and bureau are still up here because it doesn't really fit downstairs. But it just keeps exploding into a disaster, especially with eBay. You have to store so many boxes and packing materials. As you can see, I'm putting my yarn away for now. I have to put some laundry away. I have to organize some of the food. This is where we store all our extra food. There's some stuff downstairs, but the bulk of it is up here. Those two jewelry boxes on the left are vintage, and the one on the right, that one, my husband made for me. He's a woodworker, cabinet maker by trade. The eBay disaster area. It's even blocking some nice built-in drawers. But I just don't know what to do with all this stuff. That's my stockpile of dried beans for the dog food. I suppose they come in handy in an emergency, but I don't like beans. I need to lose some weight, but it's such a struggle when you don't feel good all the time. As you can see, I like my Budweiser. That's Bud Select 55. Very little alcohol, 55 calories. My drug of choice, I suppose. This is all cell phone stuff. Anybody else keep all these boxes? I was throwing them away, and then I was like, ooh, they'd make good storage, organization containers. Yep, that's when it dawned on me. All those screensavers I'll probably never use again. All these old cases. But now Verizon, the payments on the phones last for 3 years instead of 2. The phones don't even last that long. If the phone is really broken, then I toss it, but if not, then I have to keep them as spares just in case. The phone might die before it's even paid off. The shelving unit on the left has random stuff. It's got some hardware, a lot of my dog food making supplies, and the one on the right is all food pantry storage. That is the dog cookie shelf. I decided to empty off my baking shelf and look for expiration dates. So I did manage to get rid of some stuff. I did stock up on flour, which I did put in the freezer before I brought it up here because we just recently had moths. I opened up one of my containers of rice for the dog food and a dozen moths flew out. So I don't want that to happen again. This shelf was fairly organized, and I had no intention of cleaning it all off, but that stupid bag of Splenda wasn't sealed, and I spilled it all over. I don't like to run out of things, as you can see. Well, we kind of live in the boonies, so. Some of these canned goods had to go downstairs. I had to restock the pantry downstairs. That's about all I did for today. Come back for more videos. I hope this inspired you and motivated you to do a little bit. Organize just part of a room, and you'll feel better.